Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline, and in this video we'll just have a quick chat on some tactics on how to ski fast with some confidence. So there's a couple of parts to this one, and I think if you're into it and you want to know a bit more of like the technique on how to ski a bit faster with confidence, let me know below. But in this one we'll just talk a bit about tactics. So as I ski around this corner, because I'm skiing home, you'll see it's quite busy. So what I'm always looking for is I'm looking for space. So because I'm skiing fast, my skis are going to be moving forwards. I'm always looking to ski into some space. If I'm following somebody, like I'm following this person here, and I want to overtake them, I'm looking at where their skis are pointed, and I'm charging this way because I knew that their skis are pointed to the right, and then that's going to make them move more towards the right-hand side. And if I fire off to the left, then I'm going to be skiing into that space. Okay? One other way you can think about it is as I'm skiing down here, uphill is that way. So if I ski fast back up the hill, then that's a way that I can still feel fast and be confident, but I know that I've got that little bit of safety where I can then hook it back up the hill and I can let myself ski into some space, and eventually if I go up the hill enough, I will actually stop. So actually being able to carry that speed up the hill gives you a little bit more confidence that it's okay and you will be able to stop where you're going. So try that out. Two things: look for the space down the hill and ski into it, or have a look at the terrain. If there's anything that's slightly higher than you, like off camber, aim for the bit above you and you can ski fast into that space with some confidence, knowing that it's not going to get out of control. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.